Forgiveness frees you more than perfection. Lately, everyone online is arguing about who's right, who's wrong, who deserves grace, and who doesn't. We're living in a world where people think morality is a scoreboard and humanity is a contest. But here's something I want you to sit with for a moment. Perfect people don't go to heaven. Forgiven people do. I remember a time when I used to believe I had to get everything right to deserve peace. One mistake and I felt like I had ruined everything. One bad choice and I questioned whether I was still worthy of love, connection, hope. You might know that feeling too. The pressure to be flawless, the fear of being judged, the quiet shame that gets louder when you're trying to heal. But that's the part no one talks about. Forgiveness is what frees you, not perfection. Think about how many people are hurting right now because they believe one chapter defines the whole story. How many people feel disqualified from healing because they messed up or trusted the wrong person or stayed too long in the wrong place? But you don't earn grace by being flawless. You receive it by being honest. Honest about where you've fallen. Honest about what you're learning. Honest about who you're becoming. Forgiveness isn't pretending it never happened. Forgiveness is choosing not to let it control you anymore. And when you understand that, everything shifts. You stop carrying guilt like armor. You stop treating shame like identity. You stop seeing yourself as broken and start seeing yourself as becoming. Take a breath. Let that settle in your spirit. You are not worthy because you're perfect. You're worthy because you're growing. You're becoming. You're letting go. And in a world that judges every misstep, choosing forgiveness, especially self-forgiveness, is one of the most powerful things you can do.